Why is this set so much better than the older Senna set? Did the company actually listen to us? Let's find out. My name is Zoltán, let's build. If you don't know, this is the second F1 tribute set. Last year we got the McLaren FW14B Senna set, which was a huge surprise to me at the time. However, I can tell you that set was far from perfect. Now, I think LEGO has finally listened to us and addressed all our concerns with this new Williams FW14B. The set comes in the typical 18+ dark theme packaging, with the set number 10353 and contains 799 pieces. That's over 100 more than in the Senna set. Despite this, the price remains the same at $79.99 USD or euros, so the price per piece ratio is actually good, at 10 cents per piece. On the back of the box you can see the dimensions. The model will be 12 inches long and 5 inches tall with this stand. Alright, so I have 8 numbered bags, and look at these. Brand new, wider, slick, printed tires and printed front tires. I love them already. A huge sticker sheet. It's a racing car, so I can understand. And here is the manual. This gonna be 132 pages long, and obviously, because this is an 18+ set, I have some background information about the car, about Nigel Mansell himself, an interview with the designer who was Gus McLaren? I mean, seriously? His name is McLaren? That's strange. And that will be it. So, nothing else to do. I'm gonna start this build right now. Did you notice something different right at the start? Yeah, the stickers. This car has far more stickers than the Senna set. On one hand, that's good because it adds more details. On the other hand, last year's Senna set managed to achieve its detailed look with more printed parts. However, this time I can understand the reason. It's all about the money. See, this set has over 100 additional pieces, including several new elements. Yet the price remained the same. So in this case, I don't mind the stickers at all. But now, let's dive into the details. First, the set comes with a Nigel Mansell minifigure in his iconic blue racing suit. Not only does the torso feature cool prints, but the legs are detailed too. In his hand, he holds a trophy, and his printed helmet looks just as cool as last year's Senna's. The figure also comes with an extra hairpiece, so you can swap it for the helmet. Plus, he has two very similar facial expressions. And he comes with a podium, featuring a quote from Nigel himself. Just like the figure, the car also comes with a stand, which is basically the same as last year's version. The stand displays some basic information about the car. The car itself shows a lot of improvement from last year's model. Yes, you can see the obvious ones like the tires, but the inner parts have also improved significantly. The building process started with the floor, the underbody, and the hydraulic hoses. I had to use these blue lasso elements for the hydraulic system. During this phase, I attached the rear suspension to the floor, but interestingly, no shock absorber were used here. But that's actually a good thing, as it improves the ground clearance. Next came the Renault V10 engine. And at this stage, you can really see how wide the body is. Remarkable! The front suspension was built in the same way, just like the last year's set, using the same wishbone elements. After that, I covered everything and attached the front and the rear wings. Now onto the car. The finished model measures over 3 inches high, 12 inches long and 5.5 inches wide without the stand. The front wing is accurate enough, you can see the major sponsors and the shaping is correct. There is even that black winglet pointing toward to the front tires. However, that flat nose is still not good. They reused the same element from the Senna set, it wasn't good there, and it's still not good in here. It's too flat. This should be more curvier and more pointier. But on that piece you can see the famous Red 5 number. By the way, Nigel Mansell's car became known as Red 5 because his car number 5 was printed red in 1985 to distinguish it from his teammate Keke Rosberg white number 6, which looks similar from the distance. So no, there is no connection to the Star Wars team. Moving on, you can see the brand new tires. Why they reused the front tires from last year's set with cool new prints. The rear tires are brand new. Wider slick tires with printed details. Oh man, this update is the best in this lineup. And remember, there are no shock absorbers in the set. But because of the nature of these wishbone elements, the car actually bounces a little. That's more than enough. And the ground clearance is far better than in the Technic sets. The cockpit features cool stickered seatbelts, which is a nice upgrade, and of course I can steer the car from here and it works just as you imagine. The blue and white side pods are fantastic, the most detailed I've ever seen. Just look inside that pod and you will find a small grille piece as a cooler. Awesome. And the engine cover? Oh, fabulous. Now you might ask, where is that camel logo? Well, it's not there, just like the Labatt's logo. But LEGO will never advertise alcohol or tobacco products, which is understandable, yet a bit inaccurate in this case. However, as seen in this footage from 2022, when Vettel drove this car, the camel logo wasn't there either, so I can live with that. And of course, I can remove the cover to reveal the V10 3.5-liter Renault engine with its 750 horsepower. Moving to the rear suspension, the car still looks awesome with its brand new addition. And finally we reach the rear wing, which is posable. I can move this part slightly and I really like the Canon logo situation here. If you turn the car, you can see that huge diffuser at the end. That's glorious. So, is it better than the last year's Senna set? Absolutely. This car is superior in every way, thanks to the brand new tires and the added details. Yes, they use more stickers here, but hey, we got over 100 extra pieces for the same price. That's a win-win situation in my book. So guys, now it's your turn. What do you think of this set? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like what you saw, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye bye!